So here's my best shot at trying to explain rhythm. It's hard to explain, but your book will tell you that it's movement of pitches, which are different sounds, through time. But to really understand it, you have to go back a bit and learn the different elements like this. When a pitch is sounded, it has a duration. That means it has a length of time. So it has a short duration like la, or a long one like la, lasted longer. Musicians know how long to hold a note because the pitches are notated in different ways. When a musician sees a whole note, they know to hold that note or play it 4 beats, like la. A half note is half of that, or 2 beats, la. Quarter notes are 1 beat. Here are 4 quarter notes in a row, la, 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 la. Dotted half note, 3 beats. When we talk about beats, we talk about the underlying pulse of the music, the 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, or the heartbeat of the song. Here's an example from the Beatles. Meter is needed in rhythm to show how the beat is divided up. There is triple meter, which is in groups of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or duple meter, groups of 2 or 4 beats. And musicians know that by looking at something called the time signature, which looks like the fraction at the very beginning of the music score. The 4/4 on the left is an example of duple meter. Musicians would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one is an example of triple meter. The accent is what makes meters sound different. If you turn to page 29 in your textbook, you can see a picture of different accents. The accent is a little greater than mark that's usually on the first beat of each group of beats. So that beat gets a little more force. It's a little louder, so you'd hear it like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that would be triple meter. But to hear duple meter, the accent would be 1 of 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I hope that this video has helped you understand rhythm just a little bit better. The important thing is how you reflect on what you hear, how you write about rhythm. What is it that I want you to say? Well, use the terms that are there for the chapter, like duple and triple and beat and things like that. Even rhythm. You heard the notes that were all the same value, all even. Three, 4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Mixed meter. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are a few ways that you can reflect on rhythm when you hear it in the music.